Have you ever wondered what the future of travel might look like with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence? Today, our travel experiences are often marred by delays, overcrowded spaces, and unpredictable weather conditions. But imagine a world where AI predicts and navigates around these issues, transforming our journeys into seamless adventures. Now that's a future to look forward to. AI has already begun to alter the way we travel, and its potential is staggering. Let's explore the timeline of AI in the travel industry to better understand its potential. AI's journey in the travel industry begins as early as the 2000s, with the advent of online travel agencies. The turn of the millennium marked the first significant integration of AI into the travel industry. With online travel agencies coming into the picture, the automation of ticket bookings was introduced. This was a game changer, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient. No longer did travelers need to physically visit an agency or wait in long queues. A simple click was all it took. As we moved deeper into the 2000s, the travel industry started leveraging AI in the form of chatbots for customer service. These virtual assistants were able to answer common questions, provide information, and assist with bookings at any hour of the day. This 24/7 service availability significantly enhanced customer experience. The next leap forward came in the form of personalized AI recommendations. By analyzing past travel data and customer preferences, AI began to suggest personalized travel packages, hotel options, and even local attractions. This added a new level of convenience and customization to the travel experience. More recently, we've seen AI make strides in autonomous vehicles and drones. Self-driving cars, autonomous drones, and even pilotless planes are no longer just figments of our imagination. They're here, and they're set to redefine the way we travel. As we can see, AI has been progressively reshaping the travel industry, and it's only the beginning. With such a promising past, what could the